With us.
Mukbang? Oh, don't eat daw, wait for her daw. So, magbumukbang kami dalawa ni Kendall.
Don't eat. I'm gonna get so long.
Ah, okay.
With us.
Mukbang with us. So, meron akong Jollibee na spicy and meron, inaayos pa yung dito kasi di ba walang kuryente. Kasi may pumutok, so inaayos pa nila sa labas. So, meron tayo spicy chicken and meron din tayo sa Jollibee and McDo. So, we have gravy and rice. You like that? And meron din tayong spaghetti. You like spaghetti?
Yeah.
Yum! May spaghetti. You want me to put it there?
No.
Ang favorite ni Kendall, 7 yung in-order ko neto is Yum Burger. Here we go.
Okay.
Welcome.
Mekus.
Mekus! O, bibigyan natin siya ng spaghetti. Kasi mahilig siya, diba, sa mga pasta. So, si Kuya Brayden nag-McDo siya kasi mahilig si Kuya Brayden naman sa nuggets. It's not hang-hang. Unahin ko na lang muna itong sa Jollibee. So, wala kami internet pa. Kasi kanina medyo may sumabog doon sa labas. O, dito sa, namin, sa street. Walang, kuryente. Naayos pa, maya-maya ito. Kaya dito kami ng mukbang.
Chocolate.
Mas maanghang yung Mas maanghang yung chicken ng Jollibee. Oh my God. So spicy.
Yeah, you favorite spicy.
Yeah, my favorite spicy. You like one,
No.
Why not?
Because I
Oh my
like.
God.
Because I like hot.
May adobo din kami. Yung na ito burger. Init. Ang tagal na bumalik ng internet.
Later. I'm gonna get water.
Okay, get water. Kuha daw siya ng water. Big girl na talaga to eh. It's spicy. Susunod may kamukbangan ako. Big girl na to eh. Are you big girl?
Yeah.
You want this? Ooh, sarap.
Wait.
Ngayon ako mapag-post ngayon eh.
Let me that tissue.
Pero may data naman ako. Tagal lang.
Let me that tissue.
I have tissue here, baby. Here. Yummy. Yummy,
You
yummy.
can have this.
Tabasco is like.
And I can have this. I gotta put the tissue. When I'm gonna wipe it later, when another one, I gonna put tissue to mommy. Oh no, look.
What the? Let me make a mess.
You make a mess.
Sorry.
Let me cause daddy to look. You did it.
Sorry.
It's yuck. Let me throw it in the bin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, tinapon niya yung tissue sa bin. Na-shoot niya. Good job! High five.
I did that.
Very good ang kanya ko.
That's your favorite.
What is this?
Hang hang.
Tabasco.
Guapo.
Tabasco.
Okay, hang hang.
Di ba like ahang? This na ahang.
What's that?
Di ba your favorite burger? Yummy. Wala pa kasing dilim tuloy. Ay, yung pala doon, may light pala doon. Yummy? Wala pa rin kuryente, buti na lang may generator tayo. Kailan kayo magagawa dito sa street? Pinalitan kasi yung battery ng generator namin. Kaya ngayon lang gumana ulit yung generator namin. Kaya maingay dun sa baba. Ay, sobrang saya ng mga kids. Naririnig ko. Generator yun. Wala pa yung kuryente.
I'm happy.
Ha?